Hey guys, welcome back, it's Sarah. Today I'm going to show you guys how to do the DIY manga lashes. I have posted this look on Instagram and TikTok before and a lot of y'all loved it, but the top comment I kept getting was, this is way too freaking tedious to do. I'm not doing all that, which is fair because I only did it for a TikTok and I would never spend that much effort if I'm just going out. So I finally figured out an easier way to do it. What you're gonna need are a pair of false lashes. They could be rounded, they could be cat eye. They just need to be longer than your natural lashes. And then you're gonna need a pair of scissors and you're gonna need a very strong lash glue. And I'm gonna link down below and talk about later on which one's my favorite lash glue. So like I said, the first thing you will need are a pair of lashes. These are the ones that I'm gonna wear simply because they're the longest lashes I own. They're from Amazon. I'll link them in the description. Also, don't judge me, I just lost a nail. Anyway, once you have the pair of lashes that you want to try on, so in the first tutorial what we did was cutting these up into individual lashes and then applying them in sections. But instead of doing that, you're going to take one pair of your lashes, the lashes you want to use. I'm going to measure it up to my eye and cut them up so that it fits, so like this. And then you're going to take your eyebrow scissors. It'll be a lot easier if you have eyebrow scissors. And you're going to want to cut as close as possible. You see how I cut off that entire small cluster of lash? So that's what you want to do, but you want to do it as close as possible. So I didn't do it that close to the lash line, so I'm going to go in to cut it again. Now it looks like these two are two separate clusters of lash instead of one whole strip lash. And you just repeat that step throughout. I usually leave around 6 to 7 sections of lash clusters on the lash band, but it depends on what your eye shape is like and what you like. You just want to make sure that the clusters are very separated so that when it is applied you can see that very animated, cartoonish, doll-like look. Y'all might be wondering, Sarah, why do all this? You can just get a pair of manga lashes, because a lot of the manga lashes I've tried were not long enough. They either look too cartoonish and I wanted them to be a little bit wispier and I couldn't find a pair of lash that fit that style, so you gotta take matters into your own hands. So if you cut all those clusters off, this is what you're going to be left with. A lash band with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 clusters. So you can leave it like this, but for me, I just like to make them even choppier and wispier. That's just my personal preference, so I'm gonna trim the last 2 lash a little bit so it's less uniform and cat-like. I want that I haven't gotten a lash refill in 2 months type of look. So now it's a little bit more choppy and the length isn't as uniform. And this one is perfect. So this is the before and after. And again, you can do this with any pair of lash. You can leave more on or take more off. That's totally up to you. And I'm gonna do the same with the other lash now. I'm just gonna tight line real quick so the lash blends in with my natural lash line better. The lash glue I was talking about is called D-Up. It's a Japanese lash glue, and this isn't unique to just wearing manga lashes, but just wearing long lashes in general. You want to make sure your glue is very strong. Oh, actually, before I glue this on, one thing you can do to customize it even more is take a liquid black eyeliner, a waterproof one, and just paint the entire lash band. If your lash band starts off clear, you can paint it so that it'll be even more hidden when you apply this. Can you see? Can you see? Lash band is dark. Now it looks like a pair of expensive mink lashes. Applied a very thin line of glue on the lash band, and I'm just gonna slowly place it as close as possible to my lash line. It looks really long and crazy, but that's kind of what I wanted, like spidery, fluffy manga lashes. Okay, now for bottom lashes, I'm gonna use this, it's from the brand Dream Deer. I just found this at an Asian beauty store, but you might be able to find it online. If I can find it, I'll link it down below. But this is what we call the A-shaped lash. So I'm gonna pick one up like that, and I'm applying one like that. And you basically just want to repeat this all the way in. So this is one eye done. And that is it. Quick little lash look that you can incorporate into any look. When I do these lashes, I like to just tone down everything else. Barely any eyeshadow, maybe like concealer, blush, and to make everything really calm so the lashes are screaming at you. That's the look I want. I hope you guys found this helpful. But anyway, let me know what you think about these lashes. Are you with the trend? I know a lot of people hate them. And if you recreate these lashes, please tag me. I would love to see them. And I'll see y'all later. Bye.